Hey, welcome back to another episode of What We Did. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And today we're going to talk about a dual band router that we're going to use while we're out camping. We're hoping to get a little bit better cell phone service so we can do a little work while we're on the road. And also, don't mind the wall. I am literally in the basement at the moment, so trying out another location will make this look a little bit better for next time. But for now, I just want to show you from Teletonica. Ooh, a little shaky there. Teletonica. Let's see what's in the box. All right, I'm going to try to do this backwards. Hopefully it doesn't shake a hole too much. So anyway, here we go. So, and as you can see, the only thing I've done is I did stop by Verizon to get a SIM card. But other than that, and I'll show you where that goes inside the box, I have not looked inside this box. So you are the first, along with me, to see it. So it looks like we've got RMS, whatever that, remote management system, and a quick starter guide. Explain everything in detail. And then this, let's see what this should be the main component. This is the router. It is not very big from when I had originally just opened it to take a look. So yeah, it is all metal, very well built. You have the antennas on the back, mobile auxiliary, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB port. So yeah, it is, like I said, dual band, SIM1, SIM2, also 3 landlines, a WAN line, a little storage compartment for the key. You can pop these out. And where your SIM cards actually go. Then power supply. So yeah, so this is the actual router. And here, looks like we have all our antennas. And it's nice, they are labeled. So Wi-Fi 1, mobile antenna, Wi-Fi 2, or Wi-Fi, just kidding around, then mobile 2. Looks like this is probably Bluetooth connector, is my best guess. But I'm not sure. I'd have to actually, no, this is Bluetooth. This must be GPS. So yeah, so BT Bluetooth connector on this one. So nice long antenna cord here. Power supply, pretty standard. And then an Ethernet. By the way, the router is a Cat 6, and so we should be able to get, if we have good enough signal, should be able to get up to, I believe Cat 6 is 300 megabytes per second, I believe. So I could be wrong there, but either way, if I am, I will post it somewhere on the screen. But that is all it is in the box that I see. I see nothing else in the box. So just want to run that by you, show you what was in the box, show you what we're going to do. And then the cool thing is we are not, actually we will not use these mobile antennas at all. Matter of fact, here, I'll be right back. I'll show you what we're going to use. All right, and here we go. Here's the item that is going to take care of the mobile antennas. This is the pointing dual band 5G ready antenna. It will get connected to a 25-foot pole on the outside of the camper, and hopefully we'll pick up some good service for our camper. So anyway, this can be another unboxing later on. I don't really know how much of an unboxing. It's an antenna with a cord with two cable in SMA inputs that go onto the here and here. So probably not a whole lot with the unboxing there, but either way, we'll show you a little bit more after we get it installed. Do some tests and show you a little bit later. All right, take care. We'll see you next time.